Parkside 4V cordless secateurs. Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. A few days ago I made a video on how to use this tool and I can say it works pretty well. You can check the review after the end of this video. So today is a curiosity day. I was wondering myself how it works, what parts it has inside. So let's dive in and disassemble this tool. We need to remove 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 screws. So there it is. We have the plastic housing. Okay, here it is, the battery. The BMS for charging the battery, Type-C port. And we have the battery. 3.6 volt, 14.4 watt hours, 4000 mAh. And of course we can unplug the battery. The trigger, it is the safety trigger. Another screw here. Let's remove the screw. Here it is, the trigger, the on-off switch, the safety trigger with two contact plates are coming in contact when you are pressing this security switch, and you can use then the trigger, the main trigger, to operate this tool. We can see in the motor it says Parkside 4V. The year here. So let's see how it works. Connecting again this cable. We have the on-off button here at this board. Press and it is on. And by pressing this switch, remove, otherwise it will not release the blade, the cutting blade. I like it. Let's install in this huge screw. is holding the motor with a gear. Nice! So now you are smarter, you know how it works and what parts it has inside this Parkside 4-volt cordless secateurs. Let's assemble everything back. Whether you are looking to perform maintenance, replace parts or just understand how this tool works, I hope this disassembly guide has given you the confidence to take on your own maintenance tasks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more how-to guides and tool reviews. Thanks again for watching and happy gardening. See you in the next video.